artist. Today we're drawing Wolverine and Deadpool in preparation for the movie coming out at the end of July. And we're going to go ahead and get started. There, you can see I have a reference photo. Since this is a tutorial, I wanted to give you guys a good example. You should always be drawing from a reference photo if you're drawing something that's very unfamiliar or something complicated like these guys. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I can even look at the reference photo and be looking at that while I'm drawing for more accuracy. Just starting with Deadpool, and then we're going to draw Wolverine.
So how can I create a great sketch?
I think the biggest thing is really taking the time to analyze the image. Like, since I have like a little bit more experience drawing, like I don't necessarily have to do this, but one good thing an art teacher said to me was that you should even just like stare at the image you're drawing, or if you're drawing from life, stare at whatever you're drawing for about 10 minutes before you even start drawing. Because you want to make sure that you have it accurately. A big thing a lot of people do, if you don't look at the reference image enough, is that like you're drawing whatever your mind kind of thinks it is. So like if I'm drawing your face without looking at your face, at some point, I just start like drawing whatever in my mind is a person's face, if that makes sense. So just a lot of analyzing, like a lot of practice. I feel like art is just like everything else, and you have to get through that period where like you don't feel like you're very good at it to be able to, just keep practicing, and you can finally have like a finished image that you're proud of. See that?
Cool.
Yeah. So if you make a mistake, you can just erase it. Go ahead. We can always make adjustments later, but we just want to have, with these more complicated paintings, like you really want to have more of a sketch starting out with, so you can have a good like basis for the rest of your painting. If you're looking at your reference enough and you're really analyzing it, your sketch is going to come out good. But if you're meticulously just staring back at your drawing the whole time and you're forgetting about the importance of accuracy, it can really hurt the rest of your drawing. Using an overhand technique, for better sketching, you want to put your thumb down like this and your pointer finger like this and draw from a distance. Let's go ahead. This is also one more chance to check everything for accuracy, so if you notice any small spots, just go ahead and change it. One of my painting teachers was like, even if you're like literally almost done and you notice something different, change it. Because I'd rather have you turn in an accurate painting than one that is not accurate. This guy's got some. When drawing muscles, I like, see how I have a straight line right here? Or I have a straight line right here, and then you add the muscle over. That's because in reality, like this is your bone and the muscle goes on top of it. Just something to keep in mind. It's always easier to start from a more angular straight drawing and then work your way into more curves than it is to like start with the curves and try to make it straight. I'm gonna change this because yeah. It's your shadow. Because you want to, art is a like fun creative process, but you want to be proud of what you paint. I know I do, after all the money and time spent learning how to draw my entire life. So pretty much all of the body of this suit is going to be yellow, with some exceptions. So we're just going to go ahead and focus in on that. That's why this is such a great tool for different types of art, because it's just such like a smooth canvas and it's like really amazing. And do some more. some details to Wolverine's hand, and then we're pretty much done. Thank you so much again for subscribing, tuning in, seeing how you can make some cool, customizable, wearable art.
That's amazing. I definitely want to go to see this movie right now.
I know, now I want to see it too. Gonna add this right here. Last detail, we're gonna agree this first. Gloss. We'll do both.
That's cool.
Okay, we're gonna add a little check. We're gonna sign it.
Thank you again for
Thank
everyone
you.
being us today. Please looking forward to our next live
Future
stream.
live streams. Thank
Yeah.
you. Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.